welcome to Aadhyaan's world. Today we are going to do ice cubes fishing. Have you ever fished with ice cube with a plain string? Next we need glass of water, a string, and salt and some ice cubes. So first we have a string, put it like this. First next the ice cubes. Pour the ice cubes. I have some salt. I put the ice cubes and the string is top on it. Next I am going to pour some salt on the string. Let's count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at this. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. That looks so nice. I got a big fish. How this happens? Because salt melts the ice. Then we string on the ice and sprinkle some salt on the string. Then the string goes in